Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to share detail about Verivault chain. Yes, there is a wallet. You can also use it because this is going to leading the vault with the real wallet asset to digital. And here you can also get the bridge, and this is Verivault chain. We are going to share each and everything about it because all over the global level, there are already people who are already joined. Here is also 9.4 million user. Its mean is a huge concept. We're $625 million plus asset on the chain and $2.5 billion bridged asset already. So in this way, you can also get, and everything is transparent in this ecosystem. Eco-wallet. Yes, Verivault chain is eco-wallet with multi-chain supported. Into the video, I will show you each and everything about it, how this is going to bridge different number of assets. And there you can also check the security detail as well through the financial management. And here is the Verivault chain that is going to be used as a bridge, and you can also come to know here on the website. Link in my video description have been provided. So, core business composition that is behind this concept, like real world asset and digital asset should be bridged, and this is also the need of market. And in the whole transparent ecosystem, where 125 plus T app on Verivault chain have been supported yet. And soon, it is also going to making more version and new big concept here. And why it have been built? Because people need decentralized but secure ecosystem. Non-custodial trading TO mean peer-to-peer and asset ownership should be for user. And that's why this technology is going to be used in an advanced way in this ecosystem, Verivault chain. And this is the benefit what you are going to get: deep mobility and assets are completely safe when you want to explore it. You can also come here in their white paper to check out the background in history. Yes, people are always in search of where real assets should be digitalized. And now the concept have become the reality in fully DeFi, decentralized and transparent ecosystem where physical asset will be tokenized into digital form, and their team is also going to help it from traditional to how this is in real. And you can also check the technical analysis and what are the opportunities. Because in 2030, they have ambition to make their $16 trillion real-world asset tokenized form. That's why they are also going to making strategies for it, and people already getting the benefit too. So their growth has already shared in their graphic, and what is Verivault chain and how it become more popular among the people because of its new concept, but deep dive their research too. So here you can also check with the security cross-chain. These are the benefit that is going to given for the people who want to understand it. And there is also security purpose. Yes, obviously, you can come to the Financial Crime Enforcement Network, where you can also come here legal name. You can search to what is legal name KWTCN. Click on the search, and then you will also check out. Here is the all detail. Yes, here is KWTCN, and there is also the street address, Denver City, there is state, zip code, accurate, even state of activities, and there have been register. So in this way, you can also check how it is more important for the people to get know how this reliable and credible information that people can check out. This is secure, and for the next future later decision making, it will be helpful. Yes, here is also a token. That is VERV, with the turbulent turtle token supply that have been already distributed into differently. And their inflation coefficient model have been already displayed here. You can start staking your node. There you can invite friends and many other. So in this a way you can also download the application, and I will provide a link in video description. Now check out and how the app work actually. Once you download the app, you can find here safe and liable and new asset, new opportunity. You can create account. For that, you can also put my referral code in the video description I will provide. So you can also write here invitation code too, and after creating the account successfully by clicking create account, create wallet, and then you will also get the interface like I am also going to show you. Now you have to put the password of 6 to 8 digit, and you have to confirm, and after click on the continue option. You can get here 12-word phrase that you have to copy, and you can also write at the safe place in your register or any other note. And after some time, you can also import this wallet too. Once you will create the account, and here you can also check out the amount from the platform, and here you can also transfer using multiple chain. Here you can put the number, and next you can also select the chain, select the currency. You can also confirm, and you can also transfer from one currency to another too. $750 as a reward have been given if you want to deposit using QR code and address that have been already here in your wallet. So receiving, sending, transfer, everything in one place, you can easily go at. Now you can complete some task. You can also complete your KYC too. Task will be completed. You will be eligible for next reward and social media link. Actually, where you can follow them on the Twitter, Telegram. There is YouTube channel, so you can get all the update on time. And everything is here. You can also check out the number of what you want to join. At least a $10 to stake, and then you can get the reward. Here is also VERV token too. So here is also all the chain. You can send, receive, use one currency to another. There is also QR code, and you can also invite now your friend. Using multiple social platform, you can also copy your referral link, share to your friends, and they will also come here. Now you need support that is also here. 24/7 team is going to help you. And for that, you can also come to understand how much is your referral link reward beating them, or you want to ask any question related to this platform. If related to this KWTCN app, this is going to be helpful for you, and this will also helpful in taking right decision for the futuristic. And this is also having a good vision, as I have already told you. This is the breed between real-world asset to breach and convert them into digital. You can also check multiple language spotted. This app is going to taking you a new epic journey. So in this way, you can easily come to make team, invite your friends, share this idea to friends to join them, and you can get also some commission, as there are no program for you. You can make team, you can make social circle from any other platform. You can invite your friends. On different number of level, your rebate income will be different. So it's your turn to join, get all the information about this app, as I have already shown you MSB certificate too. That can be checked out from the financial service, and this video is for just educational purpose only. So you can do your proper research, and taking participate into crypto is also volatile, so you can do your proper research. This video is just for educational purpose only. And I hope you understand everything about this app, about the social circle, and you can also contact their team too. See you in next video. Till then, take care and enjoy your new epic journey by inviting friends and make a social circle on it.